Satin everybody, boy Big Brando, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my method on how I figure out what size design I want to put on a shirt or garment or whatever that I'm pressing on. This is how I find out the correct sizing that I like for my designs. Now today I'm going to be pressing something a lot different, something I've never pressed before, and that is an apron. I'm going to be busting these out for my brother-in-law's food truck, so if you live in the LA area, make sure you follow Lotta Tots for some bomb-ass food. I'm going to be hooking him up with some custom aprons for his truck, for the people that work on the truck to wear. This is my method pretty much on how I find out what size design I want to put on whatever garment. Here's the apron. I usually put the apron on. If it's a t-shirt, I'll put the t-shirt on, or I'll put it on somebody else. Then I'll take something like this. This is painter's tape, blue masking tape. You can use regular masking tape. I just so happen to have this blue stuff handy. What I do now is I just tape off a little box or a little rectangle, square, whatever you want, around where you think the design would look cool. So I want to press pretty high because I want the logo to show when they're in the food truck, because they're just talking through the little window. They're wearing the apron. I want to make sure that they could see the logo on the actual apron. So hopefully this is in focus, and like I said, we're just going to do like a little rectangle to show where the logo is going to show. This is somewhat of the area that I think would look cool with the logo. After this process, after you found out what's the exact size that you want to do, you get a ruler. This is regular standard 18-inch ruler, and then all I would do is just measure out the size. So from here it looks like 5 inches across by 3.5. So we'll say 5 inches across, 3.5 inches vertical. So when I go to my computer to put his logo and size it up for the Cameo, I'm gonna make sure that the logo is 5 inches across and 3.5 inches going down or vertical. Now that's pretty much all I do when I want to size something up. So being that this is something I've never pressed before, I want to make sure that I get the sizing down correct. It's hard for me to kind of just guess and just take a shot in the dark. This is the best way for me to get a visual on what would look best, what it would look like actually on the garment. Even if it was a circle design or whatever it is, I still go this way by doing a little box so I can measure it and figure out what would be the best looking size for whatever garment I'm pressing on. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Not sure if you guys use the same method. If you do, leave it in the comments below. If you have a different method, leave that in the comments below and share some of that knowledge too. But this is the way I've been doing it for years now. So hopefully this helps. If it doesn't, or if you have a better method, like I said, leave it in the comments. All right, catch you guys on the next one.